AI CB Profitz claims that you can become the next ClickBank super affiliate, and it is a one-click app that generates free traffic for you and provides you done for you ClickBank money sites. It can create ClickBank money sites, and this is loaded with ChatGPT for unlimited content generation. Is all these claims are true or not? Let's check it out. So if you are tired of constantly searching for the best ways to make money online, this software can help you a lot. In this AI CB Profits review, I will introduce you to the latest AI backed and ChatGPT integrated tool that can help you earn passive income like never before. Okay. AI CB Profits is an AI powered software that generates profitable ClickBank products for you to promote completely on autopilot. The idea behind this technology is simple yet powerful. By analyzing the latest market trends and buyer behavior, AI CB Profits creates custom product listing optimized for maximum sales. So if you are an affiliate marketer, this can be a game changer for you. In this review video, we will explore the unique features and the benefits of this product that make it stand out from the rest. And don't miss out the last part of this video, the conclusion section, where I will share my honest and unbiased personal opinion about this AI CB Profits. So let's get started. So let's start with first question. What is AI CB Profits? See, AI CB Profits is a powerful software tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to help affiliate marketers make more money. How? By creating sites and by creating content. This cloud-based tool works by automatically creating high converting ClickBank affiliate sites that are designed to attract traffic and generate sales. How is this unique? See, what sets AI CB Profits apart from other affiliate marketing tools is its advanced artificial intelligence technology. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze the ClickBank marketplace and identify the best products to promote it. It also creates unique content and generates backlinks to improve search engine rankings and increase traffic to the affiliate sites. Another unique feature of this product is its user-friendly interface, of course, and which makes it easy for even novice marketers to use. The tool also provides detailed analytics and reports, allowing you to track your progress and optimize your strategies. And if I talk about the best benefits of this product, so it is very helpful for affiliate marketers to increase their profits by automating many of the time-consuming tasks involving in creating and promoting affiliate sites. The tool also saves your money by eliminating the need for expensive outsourcing or hiring another staff. In addition, it can help you or other users create high-quality, unique content that is optimized for search engines. This can lead to higher search engine rankings and increased traffic to the affiliate site, which can result in more sales and higher commissions. Okay, so how does this work? How does this AI CB Profit system work? See, AI CB Profits is an AI powered software, as I already said, that will help you to earn affiliate commissions through ClickBank. So you can do this or execute this one in just 3 steps. So the step number 1, first of all, choose a site template. This software provides you This software provides you dozens of site templates to choose from. The templates are obviously professionally designed, and users can customize them to suit their needs. Step number 2, enter a keyword. After choosing a site template, you can enter any keyword related to your niche to fetch unique content from 2 million pre-made articles. The software will automatically fill your site with content. Step number 3, get paid. Once you will enter your ClickBank ID and press the save button, the software will automatically rank the site on the not the first page, but it will rank you higher from others and you will then start receiving affiliate commissions from ClickBank or for any sale made through your site. Now let's talk about its features, unique features. What are the features? So see, AI CB Profitz is a fully automated ClickBank review site builder that combines the power of AI and automation to create an effortless way to make money online. So here are some its key features. So first of all, it's an AI powered ClickBank review site builder. Second feature is, with this software you will have access to an unlimited number of ClickBank offers to make money from. So many products you can choose from. Number three, the software is fully automated, as I said, so it will make you easy to create money making review sites with done for you reviews in minutes, so you won't have to write full review articles, etc. Number four, the platform is user friendly, making it ideal for both beginners as well as experienced users. Number five, AI CB Profit generate unique high quality content with everything done for you, including product research and review writing. Number six, the software generates free traffic from Google and social media, boosting your site's visibility and increasing your earning potential. Number seven, it provides free hosting and free domains for lifetime, eliminating the need for users to purchase them separately. Number eight, it puts your income on almost 100% automation, which allow you to earn money with just a few clicks. Number nine, seamless integration with the ChatGPT. AICB Profits creators claim that it is completely seamlessly integrated with ChatGPT, so it allows users to create captivating content for their ClickBank money sites. Number 10, high quality content. ChatGPT generates well written, engaging, and informative content that keeps your audience interested and coming back for more. Number 11, time and cost savings. The platform saves your time and money on content creation by leveraging the power of AI, eliminating the need to hire expensive writers or spend hours writing articles yourself. Number 12, it works on any device. Obviously, it's an online software, so it is versatile and you can use it either on Windows, Mac, or Android devices. Number 13, you can monetize your sites using widgets and site banners to showcase ads and offers, including AdSense links, affiliate links, or even CP offers. Number 14, self-updating content. So AICB Profits and ChatGPT auto-update your site with fresh and unique content regularly without using lifting a finger. So in short, it offers an super level of automation, efficiency, and versatility in content creation for your ClickBank affiliate site, making it a powerful tool for you if you are looking to make money online. Now let's talk about its pricing. So AICB Profits is available at a discounted price of $16.98, means almost $17 as a one-time payment. The original monthly price, as they claim, was $297, which means users can save a significant amount of money with the current offer. The low one-time payment makes it an affordable option for anyone who wants to make money online using ClickBank products. And now let's reveal its upsells or OTOs. So AICB Profits has multiple upsells and OTOs which can enhance the user experience and provide more features and benefits. So here are they. First of all, front end, as I said, $16 or almost $17, which is obviously known as AICB Profits. OTO 1 is unlimited AICB Profits, which will cost you $32. OTO 2 will cost you $37, which is income automator. OTO 3 is DFY done for you setup, which will cost $197. OTO 4 is AI Profits, and that will cost you $37. OTO 5 is DFY Template. It will cost you $47. OTO 6 is Fortune 500, and that will cost you $27. OTO 7 is again upsell, Limitless Traffic. worth $67, and last OTO 8 is a reseller program or reseller license which will cost you $47, and there is no bundle offer here, so you will have to upgrade one by one if you require, if you love this product. Okay, and yeah, the best part is it has a money back guarantee of 365 days. Honestly, I have never seen with any product or any similar product. Most of them offer you 15 days money back guarantee or 30 days money back guarantee, but this one is offering 365 days money back guarantee. So you will have 1 year to check it out. If you don't like it, or if you're not convinced with it, you can obviously return it, and you will get your full money refund. And now it's time to offer free bonuses. So when you purchase AI CB Profitz, you will also receive 6 exclusive bonuses worth 1,997, means $1,997, that are designed to help you scale your income. So here the first bonus is Insta Profit worth $197. With this groundbreaking cloud-based app, you can build email lists, generate sales, and drive free traffic to anywhere you want. It's an all-in-one Instagram tool that enables you to make a 4-figure income easily on a daily basis. Bonus number 2, in internet marketing methods case study worth $97. This bonus will show you how to make a 3-figure income per week without having an email list or paid traffic. You don't even need a list in order for this to work, and you won't have to create a product as well. Bonus number 3, Facebook group, their premium Facebook group. As a bonus, you will receive free access to customer only Facebook groups where the creator of this AI CB Profitz and their team will answer all your questions. Bonus number 4, live training worth $197. So you will get exclusive access to secret live training that will show you how to run a 6-figure income business without having any employees. Bonus number 5 is infinite webinar. That is worth $297 as they claim. So Infinite Webinar is a unique webinar platform with never seen before features that allow you to automate your entire sales process from start to finish for completely hands-off recurring profits with webinars. Bonus number 6 is Affiliate Easy, ESY, worth $197. So Affiliate Easy or ESY is an automated affiliate review site that builds and earn commission for you completely on autopilot in only 60 seconds, as they claim. So this was the review of AI CB Profitz, and now it's time for conclusion or my personal opinion, totally honest and unbiased opinion. So AI CB Profitz claims to be integrated with the ChatGPT and automatically creates affiliate sites with the proper content. It is uncertain if the AI generated content can rank on Google or Bing or not. So therefore, one may have to promote these sites through other means like paid ads or email marketing. Additionally, it is worth noting that similar sites can be created with the WordPress with some expertise. And the dashboard of AI CB Profitz could be more visually appealing, but it's very simple with simplicity. But yeah, it's okay, it's fine. It is very simple to use and provides several features like adding affiliate links, choosing products, and creating content. So in conclusion, AI CB Profitz is not an extraordinary product, and it is not something world's first product, but yeah, it can be helpful for beginner ClickBank affiliate marketers. Despite a few of its cons, negative points, it is worth noting that AI CB Profitz can save you significant time and effort in creating landing pages or websites. At last, I would say if you are already a pro affiliate marketer, there are several other options available in the market. You can create the similar sites on WordPress as well. But if you want to earn affiliate commissions from ClickBank and you are a beginner, then you should definitely try AI CB Profitz. And it costs very less, just $17 almost. and I would appreciate its 365 days money back guarantee, as other products offer it just for 15 or 30 days max. So it would be a risk free investment for you. So this was the complete AICB Profitz review. I hope you got the point, and now you have a complete idea about this AICB Profitz, and now you will make an informed decision. And if you want to check it out, its sales page, or if you want to purchase or try it out, then the link is given in the description below, so you can go there and check it out. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. See you.